1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The moon touched the cold steel lines. The velvet was frozen with ice. In the distance, an engine was keeping good time. Steam whistle moaned just twice. Down in the cut, past the old trestle bridge, 12 fine horses stood. Masked men shivered in the cold on the ridge, not far from the Glendale wood.
The brass lamp showed the swaying train when the driver saw the red light. Her iron brakes sparked like silver rain, and the metals screamed through the night. The baggage man peered out to look for the fault when fear froze up his heart. He was staring down the barrel of an army Colt that threatened to tear him apart. We will burn your train to cinders, so throw their money on down. Open up your damned express car and jump down to the ground. But we won't touch that old woman. She's Southern and they claim we ain't offered no reward for Frank and Jesse James. For Frank and Jesse James. In long soldiers' coats, frayed with the years, quickly they scrambled aboard. The men was a-sweating and the women shed tears, and the preacher prayed to the Lord. When they opened the safe, there was nothing for them, so they strolled down through the train. What a miserable sight, those desperate men robbing old folks of their gold watch and chain. We will burn your train to cinders, so throw their money on down. Open up your damned express car and jump down to the ground. But we won't touch that old woman. She's Southern and they claim we ain't offered no reward for Frank and Jesse James. For Frank and Jesse James. Some say the devil had taken his soul. Some say his spirit survived. We all know he was nothing but a Missouri farm boy, just fighting to stay alive. High above that railroad bed, on a ridge where the pines grow tall. If you listen to the wind, there's a ghost of a chance you can still hear old Jesse call. We will burn your train to cinders, so throw their money on down. Open up your damned express car and jump down to the ground. But we won't touch that old Pullman. She's Southern and they claim we ain't offered no reward for Frank and Jesse James. For Frank and Jesse James. For Frank and Jesse